So for anyone that has that annoying hyperflash when they install aftermarket LED bulbs to replace the halogen, instead of buying these inline resistors, you can go to AutoZone or order one offline and get the EP29N flasher. Right there. Undo that relay, take the EP29N, just install it, and no more hyperflash. Instead of splicing those resistors in, it's an easy relay. And all you have to do is remove your dash up top, 2 7mm bolts, one right there and right there. Pull the bottom of the dash off, and this relay right here, just change it, no more hyperflash. LED works perfectly fine.